how to play krunker.io unblocked at school. Now, krunker.io is a browser FPS game, and the normal way to access this game is very simple. Just go to your search bar, type in krunker.io, and hit enter. I'm using Edge browser, but it's the same for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any other browser. Now that's super easy. You type in krunker.io, you left click to hop in game, and you are ready to go. But what about if you can't go and access krunker.io? What about if it's blocked by your school administrators? Well, if you have a Chromebook and you want to play krunker.io, at school there is a link that will give you unblocked access to Krunker. Go up to your address bar and then type in browser, fps.com, and then hit enter. And that's all you need to do. It's going to bring you to the same version of Krunker that everybody else is playing, but it's through a proxy, and that means it's completely unblocked. So you can play it on your Chromebook at school. We're loaded in. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.